next key feature for low-voltage system is the scalability. A single battery module for low-voltage system is usually smaller, which means that the overall size can be increased bits by bits. For example, Solis 3-phase 8 to 15 kilowatts model can be expanded up to 90 kilowatts by putting them in parallel, while the 12 to 16K model is capable of reaching 160 kilowatts. For homeowners, this means they can invest in a system that meets their current needs first, knowing that it can easily be expanded in the future without the need for costly overhauls. And over time, the storage capacity can be simply increased by adding more parallel battery modules without the need for costly upgrades or extensive rewiring. For residential users, this means being able to start small and grow their system as their energy needs evolve, an appealing option in both developed and emerging markets. Additionally, a single type of battery can be used in both the commercial and the residential applications, reducing the complexity for installers and making projects more time efficient.